Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today we are in Orlando, Florida. We're at Chocolate Kingdom. We're going to show you making chocolate and what you can buy. First, you will learn about the family who is making the chocolate, a little bit of history when you first go in. And then, once you have paid, they will let you into the hall where you will watch several videos and learn a little bit about making chocolate, including the top 10 reasons to feel great about eating chocolate. There will be a guide who will take you through the tour, and you will also watch a video. Once you've gone past that, you go into several different rooms where they will teach you the very beginning about chocolate, where it comes from, the types of chocolate, how it's made, all kinds of great things. And the best part is they also give you a lot of interesting samples, both to eat and to drink, so you learn about chocolate making. They will take you into a room where everything in it is made of chocolate. And it is, of course, royalty. Since you're in Chocolate Kingdom, makes sense, right? Very, very cute. We'll get the chance to catapult some marshmallows into the dragon's mouth, and then you'll enter into the super secret room. In this room, you will see all the machinery as they are presently making the chocolate. Here it is. There is also a store, and you can buy a variety of things, either packaged or you can choose how many you want for them. Not everything is chocolate, but it's all chocolate related. And let me tell you, it is delicious. When you are there, make sure you weigh yourself in chocolate. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give us a like, which is a thumbs up, and subscribe.